Okay, real talk. I opened my phone this morning and had 47 photos in my inbox. 47! All Pinterest screenshots, all spring nails, all from clients who already decided what they wanted before they even booked. And I thought, okay, I need to make one video that covers all of it. So today, I'm breaking down the 10 spring 2026 nail trends that are actually worth doing. Every single one I've done myself, with my own hands, at my own table. No stock photos, no AI-generated nails. Real work. Let's get into it. Stay until the end because number one is not what you think. And at the end, I'm sharing the one technique that makes any of these designs last 3 weeks without lifting. 3 weeks. Stay with me. Here's the thing about spring nail trends. They're everywhere, but most of what you see online is either not doable at home, doesn't last past day 5, or it looks completely different on short nails versus long. So today, I'm not just showing you what's trending, I'm telling you who each look is actually for, what technique makes it work, and which ones are more complicated than they look. No gatekeeping, just information. Quick thing, if this video is helpful, hit like right now. Not at the end, now. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps this video reach people who actually need it. One tap, that's it. The first problem with spring nail content is that nobody tells you what nail shape or length each design actually works on. You see a look on an almond-shaped long nail, fall in love, go get it done on your short square nail, and it looks completely different. Not wrong, just different. And that's fine if you know going in. So with every single design today, I'm going to tell you exactly what shape and length it works best on. If you're new here, subscribe. I post nail content with zero gatekeeping. Techniques, fixes, what actually works. No sponsored opinions, no fake tutorials. Real information. Hit the button. The second problem, and I hear this constantly, is that people see a design, get it done, and it doesn't hold. And immediately they blame the gel brand or the lamp. But 9 times out of 10, the issue is prep, or the edge seal, or the application thickness. Today, with every design, I'll tell you the key technique that makes it actually last, because a beautiful nail that chips in 4 days is not a beautiful nail. I want to know, are you a bold nail person or a quiet nail person? Bold is enamel print, chrome, heavy color. Quiet is nude, minimal. Your nails, but better. Drop it in the comments, bold or quiet, and I'll tell you which number on this list is yours. Third problem, and this is the one that actually costs people money, is not knowing what products or tools a look actually requires. Some designs look crazy complicated and only need gel, a brush, and a dotting tool. Others look simple and need a stamping plate, specific stamping polish, or a magnet. Today, I'm breaking down the tools and techniques for each one. No product names, no sponsorships, just the technique category. One of these 10 designs took me 40 extra minutes to execute, and the same week, 3 different clients asked for it. So if you want a dedicated full tutorial on it, comment the word tutorial below. 20 comments and I'll make it. Now, let's start the countdown. And if you want to go deeper on any of these techniques, I have over 100 videos on this channel covering application, removal, nail prep, and nail art. Worth checking out. But right now, number 10. Number 10, hot pink. And I mean hot pink. Not blush, not dusty rose. This is the pink that announces itself. Sheer base with a fuchsia gel French tip, full fuchsia gel on the accent nails, and tonal polka dots using a slightly deeper fuchsia shade. Best on short square or squoval nails. Technique, 2 cured layers of gel color, the French line done with a thin liner brush, keep it as fine as possible, and the dots with a dotting tool or the back of a gel brush. The thickness of that French line changes everything. A thick one and a thin one are not the same design. Number 9, burgundy. I know, burgundy feels like fall, but hear me out. In spring 2026, burgundy is being worn bright and glossy, almost like a dark cherry. And it's one of the few colors that genuinely works on every single skin tone and every nail shape. Oval, square, almond, round, it doesn't matter. This is the most democratic shade in the game. That shine you're seeing is not a filter. It's clean application. No air bubbles, no thick spots, no brush marks. That's what separates a mediocre burgundy from one that gets you compliments. Number 8. This is the one that took 40 extra minutes. Each nail tells its own story. Zebra in green gel, solid red, transparent leopard in black on a clear base, black and white zebra with a fuchsia French, and glossy black with stamping leopard. 5 nails, 5 different techniques, one cohesive set. This is what I call a conversation set. People literally stop and look at each nail individually. Best on medium to long nails, almond or round. The transparent leopard is the most technical part. It requires stamping polish with full opacity and a really light touch on the transfer. Number 7. Pastel ombre. 2 versions. Version 1, lilac to pink to peach on short square nails. Soft, clean, office appropriate. Version 2, mint to peach to lavender on round nails, the kind that gets you a compliment in an elevator before you hit the second floor. Key technique, blend before you cure. If you cure first and then try to blend, you've already lost. The gel sets and it's done. Blend while it's still wet, then cure. Number 6, and this one looks like it took hours. It didn't. Nude pink base, tonal leopard stamping in the same color family, and a concentric heart swirl on the middle nail. The whole look is monochromatic, and that's exactly what makes it work. Clean from far away, detailed up close. Stamping technique, use stamping polish, not regular gel color. Stamping polish needs to be fully opaque and slightly thicker. Regular gel won't transfer cleanly onto the stamping tool. I've tested it many times. Learn from my mistakes. Number 5, encapsulated dried flowers. And I want to be specific. This is not flowers placed on top and sealed with top coat. That version lifts. What I'm showing you has the flowers embedded between layers of builder gel, fully inside the nail. They look suspended. There are 2 versions, maximalist botanical with holographic glitter and mixed color flowers, and jewelry level minimal with a single flower and gold leaf. Technique, flowers placed between builder gel layers before final cure with fine tip tweezers. They cannot move before you hit the lamp. Number 4, and I need to explain this one before you see it because the first reaction is always, wait, is something wrong with that nail? No, that nail is perfect. Magnetic gel with a magnet to create a flower bloom effect from inside the nail. No painting, no brushwork, just magnetic gel and a magnet. The result shifts depending on the angle of light, and no 2 nails come out exactly the same. Every magnet reacts slightly differently. Best on short, round nails. The shape helps center the effect. Number 3. Stars. 2 takes. Take 1, peach nude base, holographic glitter gradient toward the tips with a sponge, 4-point star charms embedded in gel. Soft, romantic, photographs beautifully. Take 2, long square nails, fully clear builder gel, chunky mixed glitter, multicolor flake, paillettes, everything. I call these adult birthday nails. Both are spring 2026, just for different occasions and different people. Number 2, full editorial. Snakeskin texture with silver glitter on a black gel base, reptile scale stamping in black, combined with iridescent chrome shifting green to gold to blue. This is not a shy nail. This is a nail that walks into a room before you do. Technique, black gel base, snake scale stamping with opaque stamping polish, then chrome powder applied with a silicone applicator over a no-wipe top coat. Chrome over black is the strongest combination for intensity. Everything reflects at double the depth. Number 1, the most requested design from my inbox this season. Dark chocolate brown gel, true deep brown, not taupe, not mocha, with micro shimmer built into the gel formula and gold gel swirl lines on top like the chocolate is melting over the nail. Sophisticated, unexpected, the kind of nail that gets noticed quietly, not immediately, but once someone sees it up close, they can't stop looking. Best on short round or Scoville, though the champagne version, long almond in pearly caramel nude, is one of the most elegant things I've done this year. Now, the technique I promised at the start, the one that makes any of these designs last 3 weeks without lifting. It is not about the gel brand, it is not about the wattage in the lamp, it's about nail prep and one step that most people skip. First, cuticle and pterygium fully removed from the nail plate, not pushed, removed. If there's any dead skin under the gel, it will lift. Second, thin base coat, almost translucent, applied slightly back from all skin edges. Third, and this is the one nobody does consistently, seal the free edge, the inside of the free edge. A gentle pass with your e-file on the inner nail surface to create texture, then seal that inner edge with top coat at the end. That's it. Prep plus edge seal, 3 weeks minimum. Tested, repeated, confirmed. That's the full spring 2026 top 10. If you made it this far, thank you, genuinely, and you're exactly the kind of viewer I make this content for. Drop your favorite number in the comments. Like if this was helpful, subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you next week. Beauty that is, above all, safe.